Hello, good evening. My name is Steven. I am the Human Records Manager. How are you?
Hello, Stevens. Nice to meet you. I am fine, thank you.
Good. Whitney, a team leader for your technology company. What your name, nationally, and your course hub?
My name is Rodolfo. I am Peruvian. I am works as a software developer in a smart company.
Great. Can you tell me about your education? Did you have university grade or certificate?
Yes, I studied systems engineering and university, and I finished 5 years ago. Is also talks and shots courses about projects management because I want to be a good leader.
Very good. And what are your professional skills? Are you going to take work?
Yes, I am patient persons and likes to help me course workers. Last years my times had a big problems with projects. Show is organized and meeting. We working together and we fix the problem fast.
That is excellent. Why do you want to work in this position for a company? Where are you going candidate?
I want to work here because your company is very big and famous. I am a good candidate because I can know about technology and I knows how to work with people. I can help the teams work better.
Perfect, Rodolfo. I like your profile. Please game your CV tomorrow so can you for and read interview next work.
Thank you very much, Stevens. I will send is tomorrow morning. Have a nice night.
Thank you, Rodolfo. Goodbye. Profesor, ¿qué tal? Buenas noches. Ante todo, queremos comunicarle que el día de hoy solo estamos haciendo el diálogo Rodolfo y yo. Lo que pasa es que a nuestra compañera se le ha ocurrido, bueno, ha pasado por algo muy importante, eh, el fallecimiento de su padre, nos ha comunicado hace unas horas y lo cual no se ha podido conectar a la reunión. Sí ha colaborado con lo que es la redacción del diálogo, pero a través de esa noticia está mal emocionalmente por la noticia y solo queremos comunicarle eso y que la tome en cuenta. Y eso será todo, pues. Muchas gracias.